Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MLflow experiments for better tracking in USA Teams. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update MLflow experiments for better tracking, start by logging into your MLflow tracking server. Navigate to the Experiments section in your dashboard. Select the experiment you want to update. Review the current metrics and parameters associated with that experiment. Identify any missing or outdated parameters that need updating. Click on the Edit button located in the experiment details. Add new parameters that reflect the latest changes in your model training. Update any existing parameters with the correct values. Ensure that the metrics accurately represent your experiment's performance. Consider adding tags to provide additional context for each experiment. Tags can help categorize experiments by specific features or conditions. If applicable, link any relevant artifacts that support the experiment's findings. These artifacts could include model files, datasets, or visualizations. Once all updates are made, review the changes for accuracy. Save your updates before exiting the experiment details. Regularly updating your experiments facilitates easier collaboration among team members. This practice ensures everyone is aligned on the latest developments in your projects. Finally, encourage your team to adopt consistent naming conventions for ease of tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.